In this episode, we're going to uncover hidden codes in Proverbs chapter 24 to fill in the silent portions of the biblical record surrounding the trial that made King Solomon famous, the case of the two prostitutes. If you've ever wondered, 1. What judgment was handed down to the woman who stole the baby? 2. Why bad things happened to the real mother, even though she seemed good-hearted? How did she end up a prostitute? And how could her child be stolen right from her side without her even noticing? Then stay with me. Let's start with the story itself. Two prostitutes lived together in one house. They both gave birth, just 3 days apart. One night, one woman lay on her baby, and he died, most likely because she was drunk. In desperation, she swapped her dead child for the living one. The next morning, the other woman was horrified. Her baby was gone. At first, she thought the dead child beside her was her own, but upon closer inspection she realized, "This is not my child." Their argument grew so fierce that the case reached young King Solomon, who had only recently prayed for wisdom to judge rightly. No witnesses, no evidence, just two women, each claiming the living child. Then came Solomon's shocking test. "Bring me a sword, cut the living child in two, give half to one woman and half to the other." The true mother cried out, "Please, my lord, give her the baby, just don't kill him." The other coldly agreed, "Yes, divide him. Let neither of us have him." With that, Solomon declared, "Give the child to the woman who showed compassion. She is the mother." And all Israel marveled at the wisdom of God in him. Question 1. What happened to the guilty woman? The Bible is silent about her fate, but Proverbs gives us a clue. Proverbs 24:8. He that devises to do evil shall be called a mischievous person. Proverbs 24:20. For there shall be no reward to the evil man. The candle of the wicked shall be put out. Mischief begins in the mind, but when acted out, it leads to darkness, disgrace, and destruction. To have your candle put out meant more than losing reputation. It often meant being cast into dungeons, into literal darkness. That woman lied in the presence of the king who judged on God's behalf. She forsook her own mercy. Most likely, Solomon did not let her walk free. She was probably imprisoned or even executed. Crime doesn't pay. Mischief destroys. Question 2. Why did bad things happen to the good-hearted woman? Two tragedies marked her life. She had fallen into prostitution. Her son was stolen while she slept. Again, Proverbs gives us insight. Proverbs 24:33-34. A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest, so shall your poverty come like a robber, and your want like an armed man. Her heart may have been good, but her weakness was laziness. She slept too deeply. She didn't notice her child being taken. Perhaps her laziness also broke her marriage, forcing her into prostitution for survival. Laziness opens doors for tragedy, even to good people. A kind heart without responsibility is vulnerable to disaster. Life lessons. 1. Mischief never benefits you. It only gives a wicked laugh while destroying your own future. Proverbs 24:20. The candle of the wicked shall be put out. 2. A good heart is not enough. You must also be honorable, diligent, and responsible. A good heart without discipline leads to loss. 3. Spiritual discernment sees what human judgment cannot. Solomon shifted from the soul realm into the spiritual realm, and by wisdom exposed the liar. 1 Corinthians 2:15. He that is spiritual judges all things. Conclusion. The mischievous woman was judged, and her candle extinguished. The good-hearted woman nearly lost everything because of carelessness. The lesson? Don't be mischievous. It destroys you. But don't just be good-hearted either. Be diligent, be responsible, be honorable. Only then can God expand your territory and keep you from evil. If this has blessed you, let me know in the comments which biblical mystery you'd like counsel on next. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.